This ball game is over. Chris Boswell with a 38-yarder. The Pittsburgh Steelers get the win. 23-20 is the final score. So Pittsburgh picks up their 7th straight win. Dylan, they improved to 10-2.
And they were so flat early in this game. We know to start games off, Pittsburgh tends to be kind of slow going out of the gate when they're on the road. But it was another level. They couldn't do anything offensively. A.J. Green was running free and doing whatever he wanted. And it looked like the Bengals were cruising to victory. And that drive right before halftime for the Pittsburgh Steelers that got in the end zone, I thought was huge. It gave them momentum, and that momentum carried over into the second half where it was not all Steelers, but mostly Steelers for them to claw back and win this game 23-20.
Certainly, you saw the stats there from Big Ben Roethlisberger, 290 yards through the air. Just another great performance for him. Meanwhile, the Cincinnati Bengals playoff hopes, they're going to take a big hit now with them losing and the Bengals falling to 5-7. You know, we know a lot of teams, I guess, in the AFC West jockeying for playoff position. What are your thoughts on the Bengals and their playoff hopes?
I don't love their hopes, even though there's a lot more teams in the hunt in the AFC, because the AFC has been the inferior conference. I still just don't like their chances. They're too inconsistent. And I know some other teams in the AFC, I just prefer to the Bengals. I think they're one of these teams that could show you a great performance and then lay an egg the next week. I think when it's all said and done and the dust settles, they're going to be on the outside looking in.